Hi, this is Suchi, and in our today's video, I'm going to talk about module, package, and library in Python. So basically, modules. Let me tell you what is the concept of module, why we need module even in our program. So if you look at a book, maybe our study books, which we read during our school, college, definitely if a book starts from the beginning and it continues till the ending without having any break, without having any chapters, it will be difficult to read the book. So we have the chapters in a book. Similarly, in a house, we have different rooms. For example, living room, kitchen, bedroom. So these are individual modules, which is nothing but independent units which collectively construct the complex logic. So whenever we are solving any problem, we always try to break down our problems into smaller units or independent units, which can be collectively solving the entire complex problem. And another reason why we have modules in our program, it is reusable. Once we build some logic, and that can be used in multiple places if it is a module format, if it is independent of other things. So that is why we try to build our programs in smaller modules. And in Python, if we talk about modules, module is nothing but a file or maybe collection of functions, statements, class definitions, which are related to, which are solving a particular problem. So that is a module. In fact, in Python, we call a .py file, which is containing some statements, some function definitions, some class definitions as a module. Now, what is a package? Package is nothing but considered as a collection of modules. We can call a package a directory that has a collection of modules as a package. In Python, we also call a package, we also call it a package if it even contains sub packages within it. So package can have collection of modules and sub packages as well. Whereas library is, again, library, we consider library as a collection of packages. Now, as packages can also have sub packages, we can interchangeably use these two terms, package and library. So we consider like this, a package a module will be a .py file, which will be having function definitions, which will be having different statements, which can have also class definitions. That is a package, that is a module, and multiple modules we can combine together, we can organize together, and then that will be called as package, and a collection of packages can called as library. And packages can be user built package. For example, I am building a package, I need to serve a particular purpose, and I'm creating a package, my own package, and it can be used by several other users. And there are some built-in packages which are available in Python. So this is how it looks like. Now let us look into any library in Python. Now how we import a library? Okay, we can build a library. We will look into it later. But how we can import an inbuilt library? For example, pandas. Pandas is a inbuilt library or package. So to import this pandas and to be able to use all the functionalities which is already written inside pandas, we just need to use this syntax where we write import and then the package name. So if we say import pandas, we can run this, and now pandas is available. We can use all the features which are written inside pandas library. Now let me show you one thing. If we try to check the type of this here in Python, everything will be coming as module, even if it is it is a directory structure, it will be shown as module. Here, if we try to check the type of pandas, it will be a module. But if we just print pandas here, we can see the exact location. Now, as I told you, package is nothing but a directory structure. So, let's say this is a Python folder, this is a file. This is a Python file. So, can it be a module? Yes, this can be a module, but this folder is having multiple Python files. So, this folder is having multiple Python modules. So, will it be a package then? This is not going to be a package until and unless we add another file over here, which will be having this name, underscore underscore init underscore underscore dot py. So this will be a file which will denote a directory as a package. So if we add a file in this folder with this name, then only this folder will behave as a package. Now, let us look into this pandas. So if I just run this cell, let me delete this. If we just run this cell, we can see this is showing us the .init file path. So this is a module pandas from this location. So this is showing the local file location. So let us look into this pandas for a while. So this is the location. This is inside my user. And then app data, local programs, Python. And inside that we have lib. And inside that we will have this. So let us look into this. This is my user. Inside app data, we will go to local. And then we will go to program. So here is it. Now we will check into Python, inside Python 3.1, and then inside that we will be having lib, lib. So inside this lib, we will be able to see all these things. So there must be site packages folder, inside which I can see the packages which I have installed. So there must be one package, say pandas. Let's find it out. Okay, here is the pandas package. So if we open this folder, we will see there is one init.py file. So this file denotes that this is a package. This is a Python package. And if we will look into this, there are some folders and some .py files as well. So pandas, we can call it a library or a package, which again includes different packages. Why? Let us look into any of this package, let's say code. So if we open this code folder, again we can see one init.py file. So again, this code is a package. And pandas is also, so code is a sub package of pandas. Now, inside code again, we will be seeing some modules over here. For example, this frame is a module. So let us see one thing, let us check one thing. You will learn pandas later. So for now, let us just run a dir function over pandas. So if we do that, we can see some of the attributes of pandas. Let's say we will check the data frame attribute for now. So if I do that, pandas.dataframe. If we do this, we can see this notation, pandas.core.frame.dataframe. So in Python, when we need to access this directory structure, we need to use dot. In Windows, if we see any directory structure in Windows, we can see this slash separated path. So in Python, we use this period or this dot for accessing this thing. So inside pandas, we can see this, this code is another package. So inside pandas, we have code. So pandas.code we are using. Inside code again, we have frame. Frame is a module. So if we look at this frame module, let us look into this frame. So this is the frame module. If we just open it, just to check. So this is the frame module. It is having again Python code over here. So module is nothing but having some Python codes written inside. Now, if we look into this, we have this data frame. And there is a very interesting fact. In Python, class name always starts with capital. So if we look at this name, we can easily guess that this is a class name. So if we just search it in this frame.py file, let me search it. Okay, there are so many. Just let me show you. I'm just searching for data frame here. There must be one class definition. Here you can see. It is clearly written data frame class. And the data frame class definition is residing under this frame.py file. And what we are doing here, we are just using the pandas.core.frame.data frame. This class we are accessing here. So this is the class inside this frame module, and frame module is inside this core package, and core package is a part of pandas library. So that's it. That's the concept of module, package, and library. And when we are trying to import things from a library or a package, we are going to use this import keyword. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Keep learning, keep implementing. Thanks for watching.